quality product with a good price, good service, and give the homeowner some peace of mind on what they were doing. I wanted LAS to be that company. The quality of our products starts with design. We're always looking for ways to improve our products through design and manufacturing. When I took over as manager of LAS, one of the first things we did was to put in a full-time service department. And that way we were able to improve the perception of LAS with our previous customers and then get them to appreciate the fact that we had done quality work for them in the past. The second thing we did was look at the products and try to improve all of our products. It started with siding, moved to windows, and now shutters. We've tried to improve our products every year and look at better quality and how can we provide better quality through manufacturing. I could easily, from an engineering point of view, break down a product, see where we could actually manufacture a product, a quality product, for a less expensive price so that we could provide that product to the homeowner. We actually totally manufacture from different parts that we buy, the windows. We've been doing that for about 10, 15 years. We actually manufacture our own shutter product that's approved on the Florida Building Code.
You get functionality, you get design, you get aesthetics, and you get low maintenance, and you get the value.
When a customer chooses LAS, they can expect that we're going to give them the absolute best. Our products are going to do what they say they're going to do. And not only that, but we're going to be there whenever you need us.
The LAS WeatherGuard window was built to perform above standards. And this is true for Energy Star. We don't meet Energy Star requirements. We exceed them. Everything was designed to be functional. Every component of every product was thought about. And thought about what was best for the customer, not what was the cheapest. What was going to last the longest, not what was the cheapest. What is going to improve the performance of it, not the cheapest.
The biggest monumental event that happened in the last 15 years was, besides Hurricane Katrina, was the adding another complete product line in hurricane protection shutters. We were in Florida looking at hurricane protection, and the company we were going to buy this product from, I had already broken down everything that goes into that product, and the guy's price for the screws, and there was 300 of them in this product, was 6 cents a piece. So I immediately said, well, can I buy the screws? Because I can get them cheap. And screws, you know, if you get good screws, you get good screws. So he didn't even know how many screws he had in his product. He didn't know anything about it. All he knew was this is my price. And by my engineering background, being able to break something down and look at each individual part, I was able to say, okay, well, we can save a few bucks here, save a few bucks there. And in the long run, that saves the homeowner some money. Most homeowners don't know a thing about home improvement, so they're looking for somebody that they can trust. We come to work every day for our customers. Without them, we wouldn't even be here.
I normally do not write letters, but felt compelled to do so in this case. The entire process, from the knowledge of the salesman, professionalism of the installers, and quality of the product, was surprisingly pleasant and easy.
I couldn't be happier with my decision to go with LAS. In fact, over the years, I have purchased windows, siding, and now shutters for my home. Thank you for continuing to provide great service and a product that looks amazing on my home.
Our greatest asset are the people that we hire. Our average employee has probably been here 10 years.
I've grown up with many of these people. You know, relationships change over time, but a lot of these people I've looked up to my whole life. And that's kind of special because when I come to work, I literally work with people that I've known my whole life.
We have 65, sometimes 70 employees who have all been working here. Some of them have been working here 30 years. Even my estimators, salespeople, they're all been here for 5 to 10 years. Some of them been longer than that. I mean, that's tremendous if you talk about a salesperson. It's unheard of. And the only thing you can think is that first we provide a stable platform that they can feel comfortable and look down the road. We provide benefits. It also makes things a lot easier to run because they've got experience, they know what they're doing. The importance of being locally owned and family oriented is, especially from my point of view, I control what I want in terms of quality, in terms of what I want LAS to represent in the community. We've grown our company with our money from our profits. We've reinvested in the community. We have built 3 major facilities, all with the profits of the company. Totally, we have office and warehouse manufacturing, probably close to 65,000 square feet of space. We logistically go anywhere within 200 miles. And frankly, we've done jobs in Virginia and Corpus Christi. So we'll do it anywhere. If the customer wants quality, we're there. I usually do a 5, 10, or a 15-year plan, just strategically to see where we want to be. We got to expand our customization of products that homeowners need. And that might be something that people are really going to look at 10 years, 15 years down the road. I don't think now. They're starting to.
LAS will remain the same company it's always been. And that's a company that's dedicated to our customer, our product, and doing the best what we can do.